Ha? Ha?
Si Jimin ba meron na tayo? Meron na tayo ni Jimin.
Yes.
Si Jimin na lang.
Okay, so let's see who I get. Saan ko ito lagyan?
Fit ng pangalan na dito.
Okay. I'm gonna close my... Mami, pwede mo open.
Hindi na, open mo.
Okay, okay.
Tapos ang tangos.
Ilong talaga yun.
Bro.
Eh, yun yung napapansin mo sa kanya.
No.
Kaya nga sabi mo kasi, mama, ang ganda
Okay.
ang tangos ang liit.
What the hell? No, okay.
Papa, ano kita?
I just broke it.
Para yung plastic.
Anyways.
Ako nga, nilagay sa inyo.
Suga!
Sabi ko, ganyan din naman
We got suga, guys.
paano sinisisigil din sa amin? Doon daw ay
Nakatanong ba?
sabi ko, hindi.
And, oh my god. Go back, suga. They have a new brother, suga. And this is look at the curve. It's so cute.
Very good.
Yes. Mommy, at suga na yan.
Wala na, wala.
Where are you?
Saan mo?
Sit down ka lang.
Dito ka, dito ka dito.
I got it.
A water.
And it's actually so cute. That's actually so cute. I actually like seeing. I cannot read if it's in the camera, but I know it says. But from the oh my god,
May fiber ka.
that's why. Okay, that's why.
May fiber din ako. Yung number ko.
So, it says Egoya.
May na nga data. One lang.
So, let's do it. So, this gonna. Oh my god, I actually love this. Is this Soga gonna be like. So, it's gonna transform into Baby Saja? I hope I get Baby Saja. If they release a new K-pop 100 Saja books, which is I saw earlier this morning, they're gonna make a Saja voice, and this looks like Baby Saja. Look at this smile.
Oo daw. Ewan ko lang.
I'm actually so surprised I already got this from my work. You know how? Cause and it's time for lunchtime. And this sucks. Alright. They're McDonald's. That's why they do this, cause they're McDonald's. You know
JC na tapon.
Oh, okay. There.
Ang hirap ng mag-apply.
Where's Suga?
Kahit pa sabihin
Oh, Suga's gonna be inside the box. Suga, you gonna be here.
Kalabak talaga.
Yeah, I can actually voice act Suga.
Sabay-sabay. Dalawa na lang. Yun na lang talaga. Hindi, ano siya ESL na kumusul siya ng
Excel.
So, goodbye guys. I really like Suga.